Shadow say he want to catch them in hell, and that's all good and well. But I'm not planning on going there, so I'm gonna burn them right here. It's that thing that just make me mad. Each year I hear people say, laser boy, them judges treating you bad. I just tell them, it's okay. I'm gonna roll with the punches. Won't get knocked on the ground. Take my lips like a man. What goes around comes around. I'm gonna continue to do my thing. Perseverance will always win. And just like the cage bird, I know why I sing. I'm gonna dance and sing and sing. I go right a Calypso every year and sing. I'm gonna take part in everything. You won't hear Yogi laser lose or win. Hey! Fire! Fire! Burn them! Burn them! I hope them skin thick enough. You don't want no thin skin judge. Give me. Them judges have me caged in. They tie my feet, they clip my wing. Cause no matter how hard I try, they won't let me, they just won't let me fly. They act like they're the warden, and this stage is their prison. But this year they will feel my rage. Some birds are not meant to be caged. They set me up for defeat. I am a fighter, won't take back seat from no one, no matter who. So let them do what they need to do. I'm gonna continue to do my thing. Perseverance will always win. And just like the cage bird, I know why I sing. I'm gonna dance and sing and sing. Won't let them judges stop me. I'm gonna do my thing. I go right a Calypso every year and sing. You won't hear Yogi laser lose or win. Hey! Fire! Fire! Burn them! Burn them! Give me! If I say that some of them don't belong, you can agree or disagree with me. I'm just saying that some are dealing in impartiality, and some of them, it seems to me, are challenged musically. They are only judging just to pretend, but they're really looking out for their friend. But it is what it is, and what will be, will be. Give unto Caesar what is his, and give to Laser what belongs to me. I'm gonna continue to do my thing. Perseverance will always win, and just like the cage bird, I know why I sing. I'm gonna dance and sing and sing. I go right a Calypso every year and sing. I'm gonna take part in everything. You're gonna hear Yogi laser lose or win. Hey! Fire! Fire! Burn them! Burn them! Give me! I know why the cage bird sing. He sings of injustice, advantage and suffering. So while the free bird sleeps in a tree on the hill, he sings for things unknown, but long for still. And just like the cage bird, I know his plight, but I will continue to fight to remove these bars that surround me, wishing one day just to be free. No matter what they do or say, won't let them stand in my way. They say it's he who feels it, knows it, but I won't let them kill my spirit. I'm gonna continue to do my thing. Perseverance will always win. And just like the cage bird, I know why I sing. I'm gonna dance and sing and sing. I go write a calypso every year and sing. I'm gonna take part in everything. Sing and sing and sing till they crown me king. Hey, laser, fire! Burn them! I'm gonna dance and sing and sing. I go write a calypso every year and sing. I'm gonna take part in everything. Sing and sing and sing till they crown me king. Laser, fire!